Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful paper quilling Ganesha idol with this beautiful rest chair decoration. Isn't it looking very pretty and attractive? And this is an eco-friendly Ganesha, so you can create in upcoming festival. So let's get started. For this we need some 5 mm strips, golden color 3 mm strip, pencil, scissor, quilling tool, quilling mold, liquid glue, some stones, some ball chain and stone chain, yellow color paper, pattern paper, cardboard or mount board. First I am starting with the face. For this I am taking 7 strips of off-white 5 mm strips and I am making one big tight coil. Like this. Just flatten this and now I am opening it slowly. Insert pencil through this and also I am taking little help of quilling mold. Just make a cone. Do it very carefully. Then I am just twisting it, the bottom part, which will be the trunk, like this. Okay. So you have to fill this cone completely with glue. And here I have created one more tight coil using 7 strips of golden color 3 mm. It will be the crown of Ganesha. So I'm just shaping this. First make a dome using quilling mold and open it using your fingers little bit. Now adding glue inside this and spreading it using brush. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I will start with ears. For this I am taking 5 strips of off-white 3 mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Just flattening it. Then slightly make a dome and pinch it on one corner and after little gap pinch it again like this. So you will get the ear. Add glue inside the ear also to make it stiff. In the same way I have created one more. Now I will assemble the face by adding crown and ears. To adhere ears, I am using rubber based B6000 strong adhesive. You can use any kind of glue, but for the quick purpose I am using this glue. So the face is ready. Now I will start with leg. For this I have prepared this red color tight coil using 4 strips of 5 mm and we need to open it little bit and making a cone. The one leg will be straight, so this is a straight cone and other leg will be like folded. So we need to create one more cone for the bottom part of leg. So I am creating one more tight coil. For this I am taking 4 strips of 5 mm red color again and making one tight coil and then I will make a cone. So we will connect both the cones like this. I have added glue inside both the cones and then I will join these cones. Hold it for some time. Now I'm starting with hands. For this I'm taking one strip of off-white 5 mm and making one cone shape. In the same way, I have created one more cone. So I'm just joining both the cones together like this. So it will look like a folded hand. So we need total 4 these type of hands. Now I'm starting with palm. For this I'm taking 1.5 strip of off-white 3 mm and making one teardrop shape first. Then just pinching it little bit to make thumb, and then I will connect the palm with the hands. In the same way I have created 2 backside hands. I have attached palm like this and one Ashirwad hand which is on the right side of Ganesha. So according to the purpose you have to attach palm with the hands. Now here I am taking 14 by 8 cm mount board piece and I have folded from top on 1 cm for the back support, and now I will wrap this mount board using yellow color craft paper. If you don't have mount board you can also use cardboard. So I'm wrapping this yellow paper from both the sides. Fold this back side. And then I am adding this pattern paper. So the throne seat is ready. Now I am taking 4 strips of shaded yellow and orange and making one tight coil. If you don't have shaded strips you can also use half strip of yellow and half strip of orange 4 times. So this is done. Now just open it and make little dome. These 4 domes I will use as a base supporter of our throne or singhasan. So this is done. Now I will start arranging the Ganesha. First I am just taking both the legs, and this is a pink supporter. This off-white color dome is made using 10 strips of 5 mm, just like we created the face. And this pink semicircle is made using 2 strips of 10 mm. This is just for a support for upper body. So now I'm arranging everything. Hold it for some time. It should look like this. Now here I am taking blue color 5 mm strip and just wrapping it around the waist area. I have added foot with the legs, which are made using 1.5 strip of off-white 5 mm, just like we created the hands. So this is done. I have added some more layers of blue color strips all around this portion. And now I have created this cute fan using same blue strips. I have just added small blue strip pieces to create this fan and added golden strip in the bottom. So I am adding this fan kind of shape in the front part. This is like a dhoti. Now here I have attached face and 3 hands like this. Simply I have added glue and attached these parts. And this is the lower which I have created using green color strip. The height is approx 6 centimeters and I have just rolled a pipe kind of shape and added 2 golden color tight coils on front and back and decorated with ball chains and stone. If you want to learn this load in detail, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now I am just attaching the load on the right side of Ganesha like this, and I will attach the 4th Ashirwad hand on this load with Ganesha like this. Then I have created this dupatta by adding some yellow and green strips and added this red color fringe in the bottom. So I am just wrapping the dupatta around the neck of Ganesha. like this. Now here is the final look of our Ganesha. I have just added lots of ball chains, stone chains as an ornament to decorate necklace. I have created the features by using black and red pen, and here are the teeth which are made using 3 mm white strips. Added these flowers on both the hands. This is a laddu, simple dome shape, and I have added this pink strip to hide this joint part of back hands. And this ring is made using pink color strips. I have just created a thick ring, cut it from bottom and connected with the ears. And after that I have decorated with stones. So all the decoration part is all up to you. Now I am taking back the 4 supporters of our throne, and I am decorating the bottoms of these supporters using some ball chains. Now add glue in the bottom 4 corners, and then I will connect these 4 supporters. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I am taking this back of our throne. I have just taken one mount board and covered with red and pattern paper and just added ball chain around this. So I'm just adding little glue in the bottom and connecting with this 1 centimeter folded part. You can make any shape of your choice for the back side. Now I have prepared this cute quilling Mooshak, which is a vahan of our Ganesha. And if you want a tutorial for this Mooshak, I have given link in description box. You can check there. Now I am adding little glue and connecting the Mooshak here. So the beautiful eco-friendly paper quilling Ganesha is ready. I am sure you will try this very soon. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.